out straight to the course right now, try to find some cool spots. We're pre-running for media too, so not just the trucks. Most of the Terra boys that are racing have already pre-ran the course, so we're just gonna go get familiar with the loop, check it out, and share with you guys where it's at. So this will also be available on the Onyx app. So after KOH, if you guys want to come see the 40-mile loop, you guys can check it out. Log in, download the app with the Terra Crew code. You guys save some monies. Also, Evan's joining us. There he is. All right, you guys, we're about race mile 10. As you can see, we got guys pre-running the course. This is a pretty fast course. It starts out really rocky, coming through out of Hammertown. But once you kind of get around the mountains over here, we get into this lake bed section, which, as you can see, the dust and stuff like that, these guys are going pretty fast. So we kind of skipped a little bit, just so we don't want to slow anybody down, because we're kind of just cruising. But we got 4 trucks here, and we're gonna keep on moving. We're around race mile 60, 65. We're taking a little snack break. So this episode, you guys, is just going to be more of like the KOH experience. So today we're going to pre-run the course a little bit, kind of check it out. There's a lot of people out here pre-running.
Try not to die.
Yeah.
The purses that these guys are running for are pretty serious business. I could say definitely, I think trophy truck, I might be wrong, might be 100K.
It's 50.
50K?
It's 50K, yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of money. So pre-running is serious because I got to learn the course. So
yeah,
us lollygagging around is gonna be like, hey, look at that.
Girl Scout
blow our doors
adventure rolls. I've never heard of these in my life. They're amazing.
As you can see, this is very ADHD right now.
The toastiers are
coming in hot.
Oh, here we got TT coming.
Whoop, whoop. Here I come.
He's gonna hit the jump. Nice!
As you guys can see, I mean, if Evan's ass was just cruising along the course and the Levi trophy truck comes behind, it's not a good...
Hey, get out of the way!
I can hold it. Pull up! No, I'm all right.
But anyways, guys, yeah, so we're gonna hang out. We're gonna go watch some of the shenanigans with the rock climbing tonight. We're gonna go check out just everything that's not included in the race, just the whole camp, pre-running. We're gonna go film some of the boys finding some cool trails around here. Stay tuned.
So we just came across the lake bed. This is part of our 40-mile loop, and this is some pretty big whoops coming through here. So we're gonna mark it for our media guys to go here. So you can kind of get an idea.
You're good, dude. There you go. Dude. Yeah.
I rolled my window down more, but it's too crushed.
More left. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah.
mini dunes over by Johnson Valley. Homies are hitting the jump. We have a ton of people here.
Yeah.
Like way bigger amount of people than we thought.
Yeah.
And it's freaking awesome. Sea Devil is lighting up the lip, and we had
And the Baja Designs are holding down the show.
Yeah, the Baja Designs guys are holding down the show.
Hell yeah.
It's awesome, dude.
It's Prerun weekend now, suckers.
Yeah.
Bro.